Prompt design involves designing specific instructions or cues that are given to a language model to generate a desired output. The goal of prompt design is to provide enough information and context to a model so that it generates relevant and accurate text or response to a given task or prompt. For example, suppose you want to use a language model to generate short descriptions of pictures. In this case, you could design a prompt like, "Describe the picture below in one sentence." This prompt provides clear guidance to the model on what type of output is expected. Another example could be to design a prompt for a language model that generates movie summaries. The prompt could be, "Generate a summary of the plot for the movie The Marvel." This prompt provides specific context and information to the model, allowing it to generate a more accurate and relevant summary of the movie. In general, prompt design involves thinking carefully about the specific task or goal of the language model, and designing prompts that provide enough information and context to guide the model towards generating the desired output. By designing effective prompts, language models can generate more accurate and relevant text or result in a wide range of natural language processing applications.